In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a team member to Insightly. Adding users the right way is important because it controls what people can see, what they can edit, and which parts of Insightly they'll actually be able to use. I'll walk you through each step slowly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, make sure you're logged into Insightly with an account that has admin or user management permissions. Once you're in, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there, which might be a photo or just your initials. Go ahead and click that profile icon to open up a drop-down menu. From that menu, choose System Settings. This is where all of the configuration options for your Insightly account live, including where you manage your users. On the System Settings page, look at the menu running down the left-hand side. There will be a section labeled Users. Under that Users section, click on User List. This will bring you to a page that shows everyone who currently has access to your Insightly account, along with their status, profile, and license details. Now we're going to add your new team member. On the user list page, find the button labeled Add New User. It's usually located near the top right of the table. Click that button and a pop-up window or panel will appear where you can enter the new user's details. In this form, start by entering the new user's first name, last name, and email address. Double-check the email address before you move on, because this is where their invitation and login information will be sent. A small typo here can prevent them from getting access. Next, you'll see an option to select a profile. The profile controls the permissions and access rights this person will have inside Insightly. For example, some profiles might allow full administrative control, while others are more restricted and are better for standard team members. Choose the profile that matches the role and responsibilities this user will have on your team. After that, you need to select the appropriate product user licenses. Depending on your subscription, you may see options like a CRM subscription, a marketing subscription, or both. Assign the licenses that this user actually needs so you stay within your plan and avoid over-licensing. Once you've filled in the name, email, profile, and license information, review everything one more time. When you're ready, click the Add New User button within the pop-up to finalize the process. Insightly will create the user and send them an invitation so they can join your account and start working.